Hello Liz, it's occraft here. For this video, I am going to share with you what's inside the Daily Dose Cafe Bar Inc. The cafe is tiny. It's like the half of a container van. It looks like a bachelor's pad. Upon entering, order counter agad and a few seats that can accommodate up to 5 to 6 persons. There is a stairway going to the second floor. Upstairs, there's a 5 high single chair, 2 couples chairs, and a long table that can accommodate up to 8 to 9 persons. While waiting for our food, we took advantage and made some OOTD shots for the gram. By the way, this is the first time Hubby offered to take some photo of me na hindi ko siya pinipilit. He even teach me where to pose and how to pose. Thanks, B! By the way, the cafe is using a double-walled glass, pero made of plastic siya. I was eyeing on this kind of kitchenware in Shopee, pero nagdadalawang isip pa ako kung bibili ba ako or hindi. Good thing I was able to hold and try it here. Chocks lang siya, baso pa din, maganda for picture. While taking photos, story time! So ayan, pose-pose ako at picture-picture naman si Hubby. So when he comes to me and show me the photo, oh my God! Ulitin natin. Oh my God! Muntik na mahulog ang phone niya. Swag! Here's naman the photo. Not bad. Going back, kitang-kita naman siya shoulders ko no, na tense pa rin sa pangyayari. Pero again, tuloy pa rin. Take photos and chill lang. So here's the food we ordered. I ordered matcha latte for 175 pesos, while si Hubby naman ordered Spanish latte. I forgot how much the price. So that's our drink. We also ordered beef and cheese panini for 175 pesos and the ham and cheese sandwich for 200 pesos. Aside from that, they also have cakes and pastries. So here from above, you can barely see the barista preparing your orders. This cafe is located at door 3, Casaloda building, Una Subdivision, Matina, Davao City. It is a compound with lots of shops and food stalls. It is open from Monday to Sunday, 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. So after eating, I went straight to the bookshelves and checked the book display. If you love reading, maybe you can find gems here. Then, TikTok ka agad or mag-reels ka. So, yung parang, so here's my coffee and this is what I'm reading. Diba? Oh, by the way, makwento ko lang, upon entering their cafe, ang bango ng kape. Grabe, ang bango talaga. Overall, the place is okay, sakto for dining, and quick chika with friends. So there you have it, lovelies. I hope you like this video. Until next time, bye!